Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name's Arietta and today I've got a little additional haul for you. Whilst I've been purchasing some goodies from TEMU, I've been putting aside all the bits that were planner related. So today I've got some plannery stuff for you that all came from TEMU. So let's start with the biggest thing that I've got. I bought some washi. So let's get into this. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15, 20 rolls of washi of varying sizes. On camera it looks a little bit brighter, but in person it is much more kind of muted and pastel. Let's have a look at the quality. So this item, I can tell you how much it was. So this was £2.59, which is frankly ridiculous. So yeah, they're not the biggest rolls of washi, but particularly if you are just starting out with planning, this is quite a nice way to get some contrasting colours and patterns. They're quite summery, which I liked. It's pretty good quality. It's almost like a greaseproof papery kind of texture on top. So it'd be interesting to see how well that takes a pen if you want to write over the top of it. But yeah, it's nice to, that it didn't seem to rip unnecessarily. Let's just try this one. Yeah, equally very nice indeed. Size wise, let me grab a ruler. So the big ones are about 3 centimeters. Yeah, I would say 3 centimeters for the big ones. And then you've got 3 rolls that are all 1.5 centimeters in each sort of shade, and then one that is just 1 centimeter in each sort of shade or color palette. So yeah, I'm really pleased with those. You will see me using those in future spreads, I am sure. And they come in a cute little box, which is always nice. So good for storage, particularly again if you're just starting out and you don't have a lot of the other bits and pieces. So one of the things that I am always talking about in my planning videos is my love of the friction pens by Pilot. They are a pen with heat sensitive ink that erases by friction. On TEMU, for the price of £2.88, I picked up this pack of friction dupes, essentially. I mean, you can see how similar they are. They just don't have the Pilot brand name on them. They look very, very similar indeed. So I thought I would give these a try. I don't know whether they will be, interesting to see whether they'll be worth the price. It's always a little bit worrying to buy cheap pens. You can buy a nice looking pen and then it just doesn't work. So let's have a look here. So I'll just do a quick little tester with all of them. So we've got red, and just to make sure they do in fact rub out. So you can see I've drawn a line there. Yeah, okay, that's a good start. We've got orange, don't have a yellow. Got a green. They are a little bit more scratchy on the nib than the sort of the official friction pens. These, I'm going to call this light blue, but they do seem to have a reasonable amount of ink in them. They don't feel like they're about to run out any second. And I don't have all of these colours in my friction pens, so that's quite nice. And then we've got purple. Ooh, that one was a little bit scratchy there on the end. I'm just gonna move you in a bit. There you go, you can see. See how the purple just didn't quite work there, but then when I squiggled it was fine. So maybe just that it needs a bit of a warm up, we'll see. And then pink. And finally, I don't know if this is a black or a grey, but we'll gunmetal-y kind of colour. I suppose it's not quite as black as my black friction. But yeah, all right, for that price, I'm okay with that. They unscrew. Oh, there we go. They do unscrew, and yeah, they would take a refill. So that is also nice. Means that they're not a single-use pen. I'm not a fan of single-use pens. I have bought a number of refills for my friction pens in the past, so it's nice to know that I can buy refills for these as well. So yeah, that was, what did I say, £2? £2.88 for 8 pens. You'd be lucky to buy 1 pen for that price, which is bonkers. And yeah, but if you're on a budget, you're just starting out, I would highly recommend giving these a go, if only because then you can get used to the idea of using a friction pen and then decide if you want to upgrade to the potentially higher quality pen. What else have we got? Oh, some stickers, yes. These I just thought were cute. They are little bubble stickers, so I don't quite know how they're going to work on planner paper, but I just really liked them. You can see that they are... Oh, and the little cat is a sticker as well. I did not expect that. So yeah, these are little... There you go, if you can just see, I've just peel that one off. So yeah, they are a white bubble sticker on a clear plasticky background. And then these ones, same idea, but I went with purple. There was a few different colours. I think there was blue, pink, purple, white. I think that was the colours. So again, we're... Come on, peel. Yeah, so again, you can see it would give you that bubble effect if you were to stick it on your paper. And in fact, okay, we'll just... So on a white background there. And obviously if you've got coloured paper, you're going to get a slightly different look to them. I thought that they were fun. They were, weirdly, the purple ones were 58p and the white ones were 68p. I'm not sure what the difference was. Okay, continuing with stickers. I really like washi stickers. I like that they are papery and you can write on them and they sort of disappear into your page and become quite seamless. So when I spotted these, I thought I'd go for that. These are... this is a set of 6 scrapbooking stickers and it's £1.48. So I was a bit worried looking at these that it was just one sheet, but actually there is... Yeah, they are indeed individual stickers. So we've got very autumnal here, sort of potions, leaves, very harvesty. Little Thumbelina there asleep inside a flower. Nice cinnamon, apples, cloves. Very nice there. It's quite a mixture, but all on a sort of autumnal colourway. And I think, yeah, they'll just be nice to add a little accent. Lovely suitcases there, leaves, baubles. So there we go. So that's 6 sheets there, and as I say, £1.48. For the same price, I also got this pack of 50 fallen leaves. Again, it's on like it's on a roll, like a washi. Oh, a little bit of damage there with that one. Well, where's the first one? I think it's that one. So each individual leaf, come on, yeah, so each leaf is an individual sticker, and then you can obviously arrange them on your page however you fancy. I thought they were really cute and would be nice in autumn spreads, because as somebody that doesn't really enjoy summer, I'm already thinking ahead to autumn. So yeah, I thought that was very sweet indeed. What else have we got? We've got more stickers, more stickers. Okay, so these ones, I don't know whether I'm going to use them in planning or whether they will end up being used for resin inclusions. But this was 100 hollow laser stickers for £2.48. Seems to be a lot of things that come in at £2.48. Oh my goodness, there is, I know it says 100, but that's a lot. So let's just, that's a good blue background, that'll do for showing these off nicely. So interestingly, that one not very hollow compared to that one, which is very hollow. That is interesting. So I wonder if there'll be a mixture. We seem to have 2 of every design. What are you? Serp? Yeah, snake. Snake. Moons. Suns. We've got, oh, she's cute. I like her. Oh. More, yeah, they're all very sort of celestial. Very much similar to the sort of witchy stickers that I bought previously. Got an eye there. Oh. Another sun and moon design, another sun and, yeah, so, you know, variations on a theme, but that's fine. I don't mind that at all. And as I say, I think these would look great embedded in cup mats and things for your resin. I think they would give a really nice effect. That is, what is that one? Is it the world? I think it might be the world or the moon. It's the moon. Butterfly. Potion bottles. Hands. And finally, a bat. Oh, no, not finally. I've got this big pile here and I'm saying finally. Right, let's just scooch you guys off to the side. Yeah, 100 is quite a lot of stickers.
Right, fairies. That is oh, it's an Eid celebratory sticker. Stars and moons. More pretty celestial things. If there was anything that I would like them as tattoos. Good luck stickers. Sort of the sun tarot card. The magic is in you. Always nice. But yeah, you can see how
show up on a dark background, so this is why I don't know that I will use them particularly in planners unless I'm going to use them with a dark background.
I do think, however, that they will be used. They are very nice indeed. And at that price, my goodness, something I think I will find some way of using. Oh, a book. A magic book. Dream potion.
Sorry, I realise I'm rushing through these, but there's so many. a lotusy flower, constellations, moon, mushrooms, very trendy at the moment, mushrooms and toadstools, little eye, palm reading, more celestial patterns, moon in the hand. That is a protective seal. Gosh, that one's very detailed. Very detailed sun and moon there. Another sun. Sun, moon. Goddess. And finally, moon with crystals. So, yeah. Brilliant. I mean, even because you get 2 of everything, you know, I could keep half for journaling and half for resin, and I think I'd still struggle to use them all up. So I'll just scoot you off to the side. So yeah, real bargain there, those ones. And finally, I was recently bought a set of cat tarot, and then when I was looking on TEMU, I spotted these cat tarot stickers, and I do believe it is exactly, move you in a bit, I think it is exactly my deck of tarot that I've been bought, which are not to hand, sadly. But yeah, so these are stickers, but it is all the tarot cards, and it's 72 pieces, so I assume that every single card will be here. Certainly looks that way. What I think I'm going to do with these is use them in my Book of Shadows, so I can stick the sticker for the card and then write my personal reading of what that card means next to each one. So yeah, these 68 pence, which is frankly ridiculous. And yeah, I realise I'm doing all of these upside down now. There we go. But yeah, that's turned around again. They're very cool. I like them a lot. And yeah, the fact that they're stickers is great because it means that I can then use them. I do apologise if you have heard me sniffling and snuffling throughout this. It's just, I don't seem to be able to get well. So yeah, that is all from me there. I will pop links and prices down below as always. But I just wanted to share these little plannery stickery bits with you. I will have a planner video coming out soon as I prepare for next month and my Pride layouts. So do keep an eye on the channel for that. This is just a short and sweet one today, and I will see you all in the next one. Please do consider to leave a like, share, subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven, whether you do that via Patreon or over on Facebook on our group there. Everybody is incredibly welcoming and sharing all of their crafty things they've been up to. So I hope to see you soon, and until next time, stay crafty. A huge thanks, as always, go to my generous patrons. In the inner circle, Katerina Seplova, and the outer circle, John, Dylan, Maisie's Madhouse, Ducking Art, and my newest Patreon, Pencil Surprises. Please do make sure to go and check out their channels as well.